Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider hitting that like button down there, and if you're new, subscribing. I would love to have you as part of our little ohana here on my crafty journey. I'm just going to share, I've received some happy mail, and this happy mail comes from California. It's from my girl Cathy. She's Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. I think that's what it is. I am going to leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below, so you guys can go check her out. She's so sweet. So sweet. And so let's just, wow, look at Anna. Okay, so card right off the bat. Thanks. How cute. So cute. So she is just sending happy mail, sending lots of love and hugs, Cathy. Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. Thank you, Cathy. Thank you so much. So much. I appreciate you thinking of me. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just pull it all out. Wow. So look, wow. She has this beautiful box with this big, beautiful flower and some of this eyelet trim that is ruffled. So pretty. And then look at this little box here. It's got a wire wrap love, and she's put it on that tool that has that like frosting speckly on it, and she's added a few gemmies throughout it. Oh, and she shared me. Oh, cute. Glitter ink pens, and they're mini. Oh, and look at these beautiful stickers and this topper. Oh, she used the Tsum Tsums. So cute. Cute. And this package, how beautiful. I wonder if Tree gifted you this flower. Oh, thank you, Cathy. Okay, so let's dig into this. Let's see. I love this bright packaging. I love it. Ooh. Oh, look, another Tsum Tsum topper. How cute. And there's a whole bunch of die cuts in here. Look at them all. Yes, I can use these. I'm actually working in a collection that'll probably pair up well with this. Thank you so much for thinking of me. And look at these beautiful flowers she's made. They're layered in a few different papers. Thank you so much. Thank you. And then let's see this little box. So sweet, Cathy, for you thinking of me. Okay, I don't want to rip it, but okay, it is sealed a little right here. Okay. Wow, look at these felt roses. Pretty. So pretty. Oh, and look at some of this. This is that, some trim she shared. But it has that tool I was talking about, and it's sewed to this crepe paper. I love sewed things. Oh, thank you so much. I love it. Love it. And then, let's see what's in this box here. Oh, let's leave these out so we can show them off a little. Or we'll leave the, there we go. There we go. And then, oh, and it just clips on. So smart. Look at that. I can reuse it for packaging. And I love this trim. Because, you know, I can't sew, so I love it. It'll be good for making embellishments, bag toppers. Thank you. Because you know I'm recycling that. Let's see. Oh, this is some pretty tissue paper. Oh my gosh, how cute. And it is a 300-piece mini puzzle. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Cathy. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until my next video, shakas.